Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, others programs, awareness program on value-added products from fruits and vegetables, APVPFV, NPV-001, Module-1 Introduction. 1.0 INTRODUCTION. How many of us have the habit of taking fruits and vegetable products daily? If you do, then what is the reason behind it? In our country, taking fruits and vegetables as a part of our daily diet is comparatively few than in Western countries. People are not aware about the nutritive value of fruits and vegetables and their impact on our health. Hence, it is important to know about fruits and vegetables to lead a healthy life. A bowl of fruit or vegetable salad can give enough calories, nutrients, and at the same time be protective to your healthy well-being. That's why they are also called as protective foods. Value addition can be made to fruits and vegetables by processing them. Is it possible to live on fruits alone? Yes, our rishis and munis have always lived on fruits alone. 2.0 OBJECTIVES. The purpose of this module is to provide a general introduction about fruits and vegetables, its nutritive value, its production, harvest, processing and value addition, and also establishing an entrepreneurship based on fruits and vegetables. On completing this unit, you will be able to clearly understand what are fruits and vegetables. Know about the nutritional value of fruits and vegetables. Acquire knowledge on the production of fruits and vegetables in the world and in India. Know about the extent of post-harvest losses. Learn about methods of processing. Learn about value addition to fruits and vegetables, and know about the role of women entrepreneurs. 3.0 What really is a fruit and what is a vegetable? A fruit is the fleshly part of the plant, which contains seeds. For a botanist, fruit is a ripened ovary. Ovary contains ovules which forms the seed and ovary becomes the fruit on fertilization. Vegetable is any edible part of the plant, be it leaf, root or stem. Fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw, but most of the vegetables have to be cooked before consumption. 3.1 Nutritive value of fruits and vegetables. Though we consume fruits and vegetables, we all are mostly unaware of their nutritive value. Hence, it is important to understand what nutrients are present in each fruit and vegetable and how they are contributing to our health. The fruits and vegetables have high vitamins and mineral content. They have high water content and an appreciable percentage of dietary fiber. In fact, fruit and vegetable salad can quench our thirst during the hot summers. Our body requires 18 minerals for good health, and most of them are present in fruits and vegetables. To name a few minerals, calcium is important for teeth and bones. Lemon, coconut, carrot, and tomatoes are rich source of calcium. Iron is essential for red blood corpuscles, and leafy vegetables with dark green leaves such as spinach and mustard are rich in it. Phosphorus along with calcium helps in use of energy, and without calcium some of the B vitamins cannot work. Magnesium is found in bones and is derived from green vegetables such as peas, beans and cucumber. Potassium is contained in the body fluids and works with sodium to ensure efficient functions. Fruits and vegetables help in maintaining the sodium-potassium balance in our body. Many of us are unaware that fiber or roughage is essential for good health, and their absence in the diet can lead to chronic constipation, colon cancer, etc. All vegetables and fruits contain lot of dietary fiber, carbohydrates and proteins. It is also important to know that generous consumption of fruits and vegetables increases the levels of carotenoids in the blood, thus reducing the incidence of cancers. Vitamin C that is present in fruits and vegetables reduce the risk of stomach cancer. Dietary fiber and folic acid in fruits and vegetables reduce the risk of colon cancer. In addition, micronutrients contained in fruits and vegetables have anti-cancer activity. In fact, it is well known that dietary antioxidants such as vitamin C and carotenoids rich in fruits and vegetables have been associated with reduced risk of cataracts and cancers. Have you ever noticed people having vitamin and mineral deficiency disease in your home or neighborhood? You can recommend suitable fruits and vegetables for such persons to rectify their deficiency. The chart on page No. 11 and 12 gives a list of fruits and vegetables which enrich the vitamin and mineral intake of human beings. Figure 4. Vitamin and mineral deficiency diseases. Vitamin A, keratomalacia and Bitot spot. Vitamin B, beriberi. Vitamin C, seasickness and bleeding gums and scurvy. Vitamin C, protective against cancers. Calcium prevents osteoporosis. Figure 5. Vitamins in different fruits and vegetables. Look at the screen. 3.2 Production of fruits and vegetables. Though India is the second largest producer of fruits and vegetables in the world, the per Capita availability and consumption of fruits and vegetables is very low in India compared to other countries. What is the reason for this? What we can do about it? The next session explain well these aspects. 3.2.1 Fruit and vegetable production in the world. The total production of fruits in the world is around 445 million tons. The total production of vegetables in the world is around 628 million tons. It is interesting to observe that because of the diverse agroclimatic zones, it is possible to grow almost all varieties of fruits and vegetables in India. India's produce of fruits is 10.23% of world production and that of vegetables is nearly 15% of world production. Figure 6. Fruits and vegetables are rich source of minerals. Look at the screen. 3.2.2 Fruit production in India. India ranks second in the world fruit production with an annual output of 45.5 million tons. Out of the total horticultural produce, 29.5% are fruits. The major fruits produced in India are banana, mango, citrus fruits, guava, papaya, pineapple, apple, grapes and sapota. The percentage of production is given in the graph below. Figure 7. Production share of major fruits in India. Look at the screen. 3.2.3 Vegetable production in India. India is the second largest producer of vegetables in the world. Out of the total horticultural produce, 60.79% are vegetables. The current vegetable production in India is 90.8 million tons. The various varieties of vegetables, which are grown in India are potato, brinjal, tomato, cabbage, onion, cauliflower and peas. The percentage is given below. Look at the screen. Figure 8. Production share of major vegetables in India. 3.2.4 Per capita availability of fruits and vegetables in India. Though India is the second largest producer of fruits in the world, the production per capita is only about 100 gm per day. However, it is estimated that more than 30% of the total production of fruits is lost due to spoilage at various post-harvest stages. Thus, the per capita availability of fruits is further reduced to around 80 gm per day, which is almost half the requirement for a balanced diet. The per capita consumption of vegetables in India is only about 140 gm, which is far below the minimum dietary requirement of 280 gm per day, person. Thus the answer to the earlier question is that to increase the availability and consumption of fruits and vegetables, one should add value to it and prevent post-harvest losses. 3.3 Value addition in fruits and vegetables. One of the value additions which can be done by processing of fruits and vegetables is that we can reduce the post-harvest losses by increasing the shelf life. Further, fruits and vegetables can be made available throughout the year. We can also add value by supplementing with nutrients. 3.3.1 Post-harvest losses of fruits and vegetables. According to McKinsey, in India about 30% of fruits and vegetables are lost due to improper post-harvest management. In monetary terms, the loss is estimated to be over Rs. 67,000 crores. The main objective of fruit and vegetable processing is to reduce post-harvest losses and supply wholesome, safe, nutritious and acceptable food to the consumer throughout the year. It also helps in development of value-added products. The fruit and vegetable processing activities have to be established in developing countries for one or other of the following reasons. Reduction in fruits and vegetables losses. Develop new value-added products. Stimulate agricultural production by obtaining marketable consumer products. Generate both rural and urban employment. Reduction of imports and meeting export demands. Introduce contract farming giving assured income to farmers. 3.3.2 Processing of fruits and vegetables in India and other countries. Let us have a look at the processing of fruits and vegetables in our country and compare it with the processing in the other countries. Only 2% of the fruits and vegetables are processed. In India, the levels of fruits and vegetables processing in different countries are given in the table below. Percentage of fruits and vegetables processed in different countries. India 2%, Thailand 30%, Brazil 70%, USA 70%, Philippines 78%, Malaysia 83%. There are over 5,000 fruit processing units in India with an aggregate capacity of more than 23 lakh metric tons, MT. Thus in India the post-harvest losses can be reduced if 15 to 20% of the fruits are processed. There is a misnomer in the minds of people that a food processor removes all the vitamins and minerals. However, all these can be retained if minimal processing is done, and at the same time the post-harvest losses can be reduced to a large extent. Quality of preserved fruits and vegetables is as good as fresh ones, but the added Advantage is that the shelf life can be increased so that processed products are available during off-season. Hence it is important for us to know what is meant by post-harvest processing of fruits and vegetables and why it is carried out. 3.3.3 Causes of spoilage of fruits and vegetables. The fruits and vegetables remain fresh for only for a very short period of time, say 2 to 3 days or maybe a week after they are harvested and stored at room temperature. Then they become overripe and rot. The fruits and vegetables are highly perishable because of their high moisture content. The spoilage of fruits and vegetables occurs due to growth and activity of microorganisms, action of enzymes, or due to purely chemical reactions within the tissues. Thus importance has to be given to various processes, which will not allow spoilage of fruits and vegetables. 3.3.4 Storage at low temperature, controlled atmosphere and modified atmosphere. First and foremost step in value addition is correct handling and storage after the fruits and vegetables have been harvested. The easiest way is to store them at low temperature. This can increase the shelf life of these by 10 to 15 days or maximum 3 months. Further, for longer storage period they can also be stored under controlled atmosphere, modified atmosphere, but in such case type of gas, temperature and humidity have to be controlled, which adds to cost. 3.3.5 The advantage of fruit and vegetable processing. The advantage of fruit and vegetable processing is that it increases the shelf life. It can be made available during off-season. Large varieties of products can be prepared which suits our tastes. Value addition can be done. 3.3.6 Methods of processing of fruits and vegetables. The next step is processing, which converts the fruits and vegetables into various products, such as pickles, jams, jellies, etc., and thus the shelf life can be extended to a year. The methods of preservation are freezing, canning, irradiation, minimal processing, dehydration, pickling. A. Freezing. It is the most popular method of food preservation. Many frozen fruits and vegetables are stored at 18 degrees Celsius to -40 degrees Celsius, so that their shelf life can be increased. B. Canning of fruits and vegetables. It is done to increase their shelf life. The fruits and vegetables are filled into the cans. The cans are topped with liquid. The liquid is normally brine in case of vegetables and sugar syrup in case of fruits. After filling, the cans are exposed to hot water or steam so that when the lid is sealed a partial vacuum will form in the can. The cans are then finally sterilized. C. Pickling. It is yet another way of fruit and vegetable preservation. It is a process by which fruits and vegetables are preserved in salt or vinegar. Pickles are of several kinds, such as those made from mango, lemon, cauliflower, etc. D. Irradiation. Another novel method to preserve fruits and vegetables is to expose them to different amount of ionizing radiations such as X-rays, rays, etc., which kill many of the microorganisms and even do not allow sprouting of stored potatoes and onions. A. Minimal processing. It involves washing, grading, trimming, wrapping, packaging and storing. F. Non-thermal processing treatments. They involve modified atmosphere packaging, vacuum packaging, use of pulse electric field, ultrasonics, etc. G. Dehydration. It is another method of fruit or vegetable preservation to increase the shelf life. Sun drying is used for drying apricots, dates, figs and vegetable etc. H. Other methods. The pomegranate peels could be used to extract color that can be used as a natural color agent in foods. The citrus peels can be converted into chutney or even a candy. Thus all the parts of fruits and vegetables can be utilized. Even the common jams, jellies, squashes are also examples of value addition. After the various products have been prepared, proper packaging and labeling have to carried out according to FPO norms so that these can be marketed. 3.3.7 Various fruit and vegetable products. 3.4 Role of women entrepreneurs in fruits and vegetables processing. We have large number of women who are illiterate and are from weaker sections, or women who are housewives who want to become an entrepreneur. Here is a very good and easy method by which they can earn their livelihood, that is by processing fruits and vegetables. It is not at all difficult to make squashes, jams, jellies, pickles etc. The women should explore and find out the fruits and vegetables, which are in abundance in their state and district. Buy the fruits and vegetables of that particular season, as they will be plenty and cheap and can be converted into various products as has been mentioned above. The waste such as peels could also be used and made into various products. Women could also form a cooperative and avail loans from government schemes such as Jawahar Rozgar Yojana and Khadi Village Industries Commission. Get the FPO, food products order, license and become entrepreneurs. Thus they can generate employment for themselves. This can make women economically independent and thus empowered. Further, if women of this country enter into the small-scale business of fruits and vegetables preservation in each village, district and state, then the post-harvest losses can be reduced and thus lead to national growth and development. 4. Let us sum up. Fruits and vegetables are part and parcel of the life of human beings. Fruits are fleshy part of the plants, which contain seeds, whereas vegetable is any edible part of the plant. Fruits and vegetables are protective to the human being and are highly nutritious. They are not only high in vitamins and minerals but have appreciable amount of dietary fiber and have high water content. A bowl of fruit or vegetable salad can provide enough calories and nutrition and at the same time be protective for your well-being. India stands second in fruit and vegetable production in the world. However, it is estimated that 30% of fruits and vegetables are lost due to post-harvest losses. In India, only 2% of fruits and vegetables are processed. There are various methods by which the post-harvest losses can be reduced and value additions can be done. Firstly, it could be carried out by storage at low temperatures or by canning, irradiation, dehydration or minimal processing. The fruits and vegetables could be converted to various products and the shelf life can thus be increased to 1 year. Even the waste products like peels could be used for extraction of color or making chutneys. Finally, women could prepare products from fruits and vegetables and could become entrepreneurs. If each village, district and state start using their bioresources, it will not only generate income for the individuals but will also contribute to national development. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more updates, and we will see you with the next chapter.